Looking for a fun and easy way to personalize your little one's nursery? Give it a custom chalkboard wall, and you can personalize the space again and again by changing the look and message anytime you want. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to transform any painted wall or surface into a chalkboard, in any color you like, with Rust-Oleum clear chalkboard coating. To get started, you'll need the following materials. Be sure to keep the area well ventilated and protect the surrounding surfaces from paint splatters. Next, mask any areas of the wall that you don't want painted. Before you begin, clean the surface with mild soap and water and wait for it to dry completely. Once you've chosen the color you want your chalkboard surface to be, stir your latex paint and pour it into a paint tray. Roll on the paint and let it dry completely, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Next, stir the Rust-Oleum clear chalkboard paint and pour it into a clean paint tray. Begin rolling it on with a foam roller in light, even strokes. Note, paint will go on slightly white, but dry to a clear finish. The finished surface will be dry to the touch in 30 minutes and fully dry in 2 to 4 hours, but please allow the coating to cure for 3 full days before applying chalk. After the finish is cured, condition your chalkboard by rubbing the side of a piece of chalk over the entire surface and then erasing. And that's it! Now you've got a great place to show off your creativity. You can customize a special message for baby and change it whenever you like.
Thank you for choosing Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.